Begin by inputting a title. Below, you must enter the lab specification. The specification can be written in Markdown to help organize the spec for students. If you are unfamiliar with Markdown, or you would like help formatting, click the Markdown cheat sheet for more assistance. By clicking Preview, you can see what the spec will look like to students. Next, you have the option to specify a few other things about your lab. Defaults will be selected based on your zyBook. zyLabs allow for two submission methods. Students code directly in our embedded environment, or submit files written in an external IDE or text editor. For supported languages, compilation flags allow you to customize how errors will be treated when running student code. Submission limits allow you to specify the maximum number a student can submit assignments for grading and the minimum amount of time a student must wait before submitting again. You also have the option to hide the lab from students. This may be helpful while still working on a lab so that students do not have access. In Student Files, you can manage the files you wish students to submit. By default, there will be a main file. Easily add templates, use the default template, or upload a template from a file. Similarly, you may add a solution by either uploading a file or writing in line. It is recommended you provide a solution in order to verify any test cases that are written for this lab later. To add additional files, click Add File and provide a name. You can add as many files as you like. Allow students to read in files to complete their assignment with File I/O. Formats supported include plain text, audio and video, and even images. Lastly, you can specify tests for student submissions to pass in order to complete their assignment. zyLabs supports both compare output tests and unit tests. For now, we will go over adding a simple comparison test. Change the amount of points passing this test counts for. Enter a desired input. Choose the type of output you wish to check for, and enter the output you wish to check for. You can further customize this test operation by checking desired options just below. For example, by clicking Ignore Whitespace, the test will ignore all spaces, tabs, and new lines. You can make as many test cases as you like. If you wish to change the order in which the tests are run, click Sort Tests above. Then, rearrange by dragging the test case to the correct spot. If you provided a solution, be sure to run tests to verify the lab functions as expected. Finally, save the lab to complete adding it to the bottom of the chapter.